In this video, I head over to the far southeast side of the UK to paint a piece with a few of my crewmates.
So what am I going to do? Just go between the pillars? I don't want to go half over that.
Thankfully, Boss Man turned up to my right hand side so he could take out that panel.
Yeah, looks exactly the same. I saw the top of my piece sticking out. No, most of the time they're high pressure. There's certain brands like Flame Orange burners, they're really good. Like, you know, you get like skinny lines out of them and they're like controllable. Sorry? Cap? Level 1? Yeah. Yeah, I do as well, but I've kind of got to a point where
You've got to be careful who's following you, because that's not a problem. I paint something, and then fucking, that's why I had to remove that fucking front, because I paint
Oh, there we are. That is it for this video. As you can probably tell, the piece was freestyled a little bit, yeah, but fun to be out. Got a little bit burnt that day, but yeah, it's fun all the same. Good to catch up with the boys, and yeah, unfortunately, one or two didn't make it, which is a shame. But anyway, on to the next one, which is coming up soon, which is, yeah, going to be a good video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.